Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is outside. Check it. The beautiful places you can be at. The world's worst grass, bro, this stuff is messed up. But still we get a lot of upgrades from outside. And we got some lights. Amazing, beautiful lights. We got a campfire. We got we got some DIY wood. We also have a giant. Wait, is that right there? A giant. No. It's not gonna show that it's not gonna be right. But right here, a giant. Nope. A rock. We got a rock. It's an amazing opportunity. And I just stubbed my toe on the rock. So yeah, we got more outside. More stuff. And I'm going to and that's all for this video. I just want to teach you, I just want to let you remember about nature, that we have it every time. I just want to remind you guys about nature, and I need y'all to remember about nature, and I need you to remember about stuff, and not everything has to be all about internet, because that's all y'all guys do. No. Just kidding, internet is the best. Nature is sometimes fun, but you get bug bites all the milky time. So yeah, I just want y'all to know internet is better than nature. Bye.